Okay, what have you done to the speaker console since the last time we saw it?
Well, got the holes cut out for the speakers and the 8 nut certs installed. A little more trimming to make it fit better. Going to mock the speakers up in the holes now. Just do a little quick test fit in the car. Make sure it's going to work the way it is before I build the faceplate. And then after I get the faceplate built, it'll be ready to sand and powder coat and be done.
Cool. So now you have to figure out a front for it.
Yeah. Build a faceplate for it. It's gonna be wider here than over here.
Huh.
Nothing I can do about that.
Is that just the way it's made?
Just
the whole thing?
Just the way the car is. This part of the dash ain't sanded with the console. Wish I could just delete that piece, leave it off, but there's a split in the carpet right there for the transmission cable to go through that wouldn't be hidden. Try 50 degrees. 40 wasn't enough, maybe 50 will be. Probably won't be, but I'll just sneak up on it. I say I need more than that, but let me test fit it.
Okay.
Yeah, it needs a little more. Yeah. Need to go to 55. Going to 60. That should be real quick.
That looks pretty good.
Let's get in there.
Is it coming together the way you hoped?
Pretty good, actually.
Good. So the next step is welding those pieces together?
Yep. Just have to get them jigged up exactly the way I want them and start tacking them.
All right, so the last time we saw the speaker console you were building, it was still metal, bare metal. You had just cut the holes and the seams needed to be welded up. So you took it to a buddy who welded it, and it looks real good.
Well, don't tell that. It's good on myself.
Oh, and you powder coated it yourself too.
I can't powder coat it. Double check the speakers, make sure they fit right. Like lift. Should do fine. Yep. I'll have to go in last.
Aha. Let me go around to the other side.
It's gonna take a while to get them two screws in there that holds it in.
Mm-hmm. Looks good up in there.
Yeah. It ought to go well with the rest of the interior.
Mm-hmm.
Take that speaker wire and fish it in behind through the hole for me.
Mm-hmm.
Four in the floor there.
Alrighty. That looks really good.
Yeah. I think it turned out pretty nice.
So you already like attached it on that side too?
What do you mean?
Like attaching it to the bottom of the dash?
I just attached it on one side. There's only a bracket on that side. There wasn't nothing over here.
Oh.
That'll hold it.
Oh.
Zip tie this extra speaker wire. Try to keep accurate to accessory and turn radio. Let's see what it sounds like.
Alrighty.
I still gotta put that little console piece onto this to cover that hole up.
Yeah. There it is. You're doing good, baby.
Yeah, it looks decent.